Welcome to the IB Survival Guide. In this video, I'll be talking about Theory of Knowledge in IB course. So, this course is commonly referred to as TOK because that stands for Theory of Knowledge. It's a 2-year course that IB requires you to take, and it's about learning about knowledge, how it's perceived, how it's learned, and so on. So, 2 main topics in TOK are AOKs and WOKs. AOKs are areas of knowledge, which are subsets or areas or subjects that you classify knowledge into, such as ethics, arts, math, sciences, history, so on, and religion. And then the ways of knowing are how you gain knowledge. So through emotion, through reason, through sense perception, through faith and imagination and memory. These are both entirely different, but you have to involve them in many of the subject material in the course. So mainly throughout Theory of Knowledge, you explore how you get knowledge, how you can apply that knowledge, where it all comes from, and you explore many different subjects and apply it to many different things. For example, you also have to apply multiple areas of knowledge together and multiple ways of knowing together. So you have to compare the arts to ethics and how sense perception affects them. Main part of the course, well, at least at the beginning, is knowledge questions. So you have to ask questions regarding knowledge that explore AOKs or WOKs. An example of this would be, to what extent does imagination fuel the knowledge gainment of the arts, or so on? What extent is used a lot in this course. Other things that are explored are outlines, specifically the methodology of your approach, the scope, the application, and this is used for many things. In Theory of Knowledge, there are a couple main exams that you have to do. So there's a big presentation at the end of the second year, and you come up with your own knowledge question, a real life situation, which is just an example that you find, and then you have to explain how different perspectives and how the knowledge question applies to them and make your own conclusions. This is a very big part of the grade. Another part of your IB grade that is put into TOK is the EE, also known as the extended essay. So, in the extended essay, you have to choose a topic, choose a question to explore, and write a 20-page essay on it. You have most of your 11th year of high school to do this, but it's extremely important. Good ways to accomplish this are to start thinking of subjects that you're interested in as soon as possible, but they have to be more academic subjects, and you should have experience in a class with the subject. There are many loopholes around it though. For example, my essay was about religion, and I excused this by not taking religion class and having been to Sunday school. So other things that you have to do in the class are essays, which are also very important, but a lot of the class is just learning about how knowledge is gained and applying it. So in this class, you often have to explore your own ways of perception and how you gain your own knowledge and how your own experiences fuel it. And a very big subject in this class tends to be objectivity and subjectivity. So when things are objective, that means that there's one overall truth, where when things are subjective, that means that there are many truths and that there's not one absolute. So with these concepts, you can explore differences in people's knowledge and how these differences are caused and what these differences mean. I've gone off on multiple tangents, but overall, the class of theory of knowledge is about knowledge. It's about how you gain it, with what ways of knowing, through what areas of knowledge, and it's about applying it to what does the knowledge mean and comparing it to other people's knowledges. And there's knowledge systems and so on. Overall, in order to excel in this class, you should keep an open mind to every different knowledge type, every person's different knowledge system, and so on, and instead of just sticking to your own system. Well, good luck.